Hello my dear friends, welcome again to my channel. So we are doing admission of partner chapter 4 class 12th accountancy, and the topic is sacrifice and new ratio calculation. Now the case 3, that is ratio method, very easy method, easy to understand and easy to calculate. Now the identification of this method is there is some ratio will be given for the new partner in which he gets his share from the old partners. 3 steps again you have to divide this concept into 3 steps. First is you have to calculate the share received by the new partner from the old partners in the given ratio, that is the ratio which is given in the question, and the formula is new partners shares into the share given by the old partners. Secondly, again you have to calculate the new share of old partners, and last is sacrifice ratio, and in this case there is no need to calculate sacrifice ratio. The ratio in which the new partner gets his share from the old partners is a sacrifice ratio. So in this case there is no need to calculate sacrifice ratio. Now let us understand this method with the help of this example. So the example is A and B are the partners. Their profit ratio is given, that is 3:2. C is the new partner for 1/4 share, and he takes his share from A and B in the ratio 2:1. So just remember the ratio 2:1 is given in the question in which C is getting his share from A and B. So what will be the new profit sharing ratio? Now how you will solve it? First of all, you will calculate what C gets from A and what he gets from B. So with the help of this formula, we can easily find out what C gets from A. 1/4 is the C's share into 2/3. 2/3 means 2:1 में A और B C को कुछ दे रहे हैं. C को मिल रहा है 1/4 और A उसमें से कितना contribute कर रहा है 2/3, which is equals to 2/12. So A is going to give 2/12 to Mr. C, and new ratio of A will be he is having 3/5 as his old share, and he is giving 2/12 to Mr. C. So his remaining share is 26/60, which is A's new share. So in this way we will calculate B's new share. So the share of C is 1/4. Again we have to make the denominator equal. So in that case we will be multiplying 15/15 in case of C. So the new ratio will be 26, 19 and 15. It's very easy to understand, it's very easy to calculate, and remember in this case the sacrifice ratio of old partners will be 2:1, which is given in the question. So this is all about this case. Thank you so much.